I'm Hilary Fletcher, a freelance journalist based here in Nakuru. But previously, I've managed to work with several media stations here in Nakuru. To be more specific, Egerton Radio and Radio Yetu. Yeah, so the engagement has been good so far. So today we are here at Agora in Milimani, Nakuru. Creatives have come here together with journalists. We've been a group of about 30 individuals, more specifically just to network, to exchange ideas on how to move forward in terms of collaboration, how the creatives can use the media space to bring out the issues at hand. In this case, the issues of fraud, waste, and abuse that is in line with the USAWA project, and the creatives have received the idea so well, and they are into it. I've seen they are expressing themselves in a way that shows that they are going to work for this project for the next 5 years, and they are so much happy because through this forum they will be given a platform. We have had several volunteers from the media who will give them shows. Others will give them coverage. Others will do feature stories. And this is the engagement that we are looking forward to. It has been nice. So when the media comes together with the creatives, I think great things happen because the media, that's the journalists, have a huge following, similar to the creatives. That's the new media. Since the launch of the USAWA project, we've been moving along very well because this project has been accepted by several people here in Nakuru County. The journalists have managed to do a lot of stories, and also the community members. I remember the first day when we were in Naivasha during the launch, we could hear the citizens talk about the developments they will need in the health sector, because some of the issues have been maybe sidelined in one way or the other. So it has been a very good project from the beginning, and moving forward, I can say where we are at the moment, we are on the right track, simply because everybody now knows. The journalists have gone through a series of trainings through AMWIK and Transparency International, to be more specific. And now I know that everything now has been streamlined. The journalists are equipped. They know how to come up with the stories and identify fraud, waste, and abuse in the health sector here in Nakuru County. And I know through the project, there will be a lot of change in terms of policies in the health sector, and also there will be a change in the engagement between those in governance versus the public or the citizens. So this project is a big thing here in Nakuru, and everybody is looking forward to working with the people from AMWIK. And as you've seen here in Nakuru, especially the creatives are so much happy. They've been given a platform whereby they will raise their issues. They will speak through maybe spoken word, through their art, and I know everything will be okay. So far, so good. The journalists are doing a great work here in Nakuru, and through the trainings from AMWIK, they have managed to do several stories, and these stories, to be more specific, they are touching on real issues because they know on what angle to address the issue. Because for instance, here in Nakuru, we find that there has been a big challenge in the health sector since the first regime, that's since the inception of devolution, to the now third regime. So through the trainings, the journalists, that's the radio journalists, the online journalists, TV journalists, and those from the print media have been able to do a lot of stories. We have had those who have been doing talk shows. I've had those who have done website stories, very intense stories, detailed stories that address the issues that need to be aired out to the public. So it has been a very good engagement. And through this project also, the journalists are learning on how to how to use the information they have and give it to the public to disseminate information, because journalism is all about communicating to the masses. So through that, many journalists have, their lives have changed, and we can see the change, and they're looking forward to doing more stories, pitching more stories, because we understand that with this project USAWA, the journalists will also be empowered, in the sense that they will get sponsorships to do stories. And during the previous engagements, we are also looking forward to maybe having a media hub whereby the partners can come in place and also empower these journalists who are in this project. And we can say it's a very big number of journalists whom we have managed to incorporate in this project. During the launch, we were about 4 journalists. After the launch, the first training, we had about 30 plus. Second training, 30 plus. Moving forward, 30 plus. Yesterday, we had an engagement where we had 10 journalists. Today, we are having an engagement, 10 journalists. On Monday, we are having an engagement. We'll be having more than 20 journalists. So this is just to say that the information or whatever we are doing is of great importance, and it will be of great impact here in Nakuru County. I think what we should expect is different approaches in terms of airing out these stories, because now the creatives have understood that they have already a platform, and they know that they can work closely with the media, and the creatives also, through this engagement, they will also learn from the journalists on how they can use their platforms, especially the social media, the social media platforms, to speak to the masses, and also convince people that the society needs to change, and we need to address these problems that are there in the health sector.